These organizers help you store your bed linens neatly. They have transparent inserts and a collapsible design. A set of 4 costs $40.
The Kerr waterfall faucet is a great buy, even for a small kitchen. It has several modes, including a waterfall mode, and features a 56-centimeter pull-out hose. It costs $34. The Prep Deck Gen 2 station helps with cooking, allowing you to sort, store, cut, and measure ingredients even in a tiny kitchen. It costs $130. This rotating spice rack fits perfectly in a small kitchen. It fits in many cabinets and allows you to easily grab the jar you need. It costs $43. This dish brush with a built-in soap dispenser helps free up counter space. It features both bristles and a scraper. It costs $15. This bedside shelf folds away when not in use and holds up to 15 kilograms. It's ideal for a small bedroom and costs $40. This table with a pneumatic lifting system is perfect for working on a laptop or having breakfast in bed. It's compact and multifunctional. It costs $125. This wall-mounted jewelry cabinet not only helps organize jewelry, but also complements the interior with a mirror and lighting. It costs $80. This knife block saves both space and your sanity. It holds 16 knives and a sharpener, and you'll always know where to find the right knife. It costs $35. This folding bench can be a sofa, coffee table, stool, and more. Thanks to its folding system, it's perfect for small apartments. It costs $317. The company Create AT sells a kit to build a Murphy bed. This bed folds up vertically, freeing up space in the room. The kit costs $289. This desk with an electric height adjustment allows you to work both sitting and standing. It holds 80 kilograms and costs $95. This shoe rack from FlexiMounds holds 18 pairs of shoes on its 9 tiers. It will help you deal with chaos in your hallway and costs $96. This folding sofa mattress is filled with memory foam and provides comfort comparable to luxury hotels. It costs $114. If you need more shelves in your closet, try this adjustable tension shelf. It can hold up to 10 kilograms and costs $25. Solubi is a compact kitchen island with an expandable countertop. It has 11 compartments for convenient dish storage. It costs $270. Hanging vacuum storage bags are a great way to save closet space. They are compatible with standard household vacuum cleaners and sell for $32 for a set of 6. This bed frame with a lifting mechanism turns the sleeping area into a practical storage system. It's ideal for a small apartment and costs $260. These storage containers slide easily under the bed. A set of 4 costs $19. A Murphy bed can also be bought ready-made. A double model holds 700 kilograms, can be set up in 90 minutes, and disguises itself as a cabinet. It costs $825. The compact, collapsible Regalo My Crib bassinet holds up to 8 kilograms and is perfect for tight bedrooms and travel. It costs $80. Fix presents a compact electric cleaning brush. It has 4 interchangeable heads that clean everything from windowsills to sinks. It costs $25. This table hangs from balcony railings, rectangular or round, up to 15 centimeters wide. It costs $153. This compact walking pad fits under a sofa. It has shock absorption, goes up to 6.4 kilometers per hour, and runs very quietly. It costs $118. The Meforth organizer turns a door into a pantry, even in the smallest room. It has 9 shelves that can hold up to 111 kilograms. It costs $60. This ottoman has a secret. It folds out into 5 stools.
It costs $180. This transformer combines the functions of a chair, lounger, and bed. It's filled with foam, making it better for the spine than inflatable alternatives. It costs $130. These wall racks for skis and snowboards help you store them neatly without cluttering the room. Each holder is rated for 11 kilograms. A set of 4 costs $102.
This expandable transformer table can turn from a small table for 2 into a spacious table for 12. It allows you to maximize your space and costs $3,710.
This versatile dish rack, which sits over the sink, replaces a cabinet. It's made of steel and has non-slip legs. This toothbrush holder has built-in UV disinfection that eliminates 99% of bacteria. It also comes with a toothpaste dispenser and 3 cups. It costs $40. This storage ottoman cube provides a footrest and a place to store things. It's perfect for small apartments and costs just $26. The Joseph ironing board folds in half and hangs from a hook in a closet. It also has a pocket for storing the iron. It costs $100. This laptop stand helps free up desk space. It holds 2 laptops up to 42 millimeters thick, is made of aluminum, and costs $21. This magnetic shelf easily attaches to the refrigerator without any drilling or glue. It's a great solution for a small kitchen. It costs $40. This cabinet turns the space over the toilet into a stylish storage unit. The adjustable shelves hold everything from towels to cosmetics. It costs $113.